Hello, hello. All right, today, art students, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing a flower. This is going to be a very stylistic interpretation of a flower. Flower we're going to be working on today is called a peony. It's called a peony. It's a really simple drawing, and it's pretty fun to do. So, what you're going to do is you're going to be making squiggly lines that are going to go in a circle around each other. Some of them will touch, some of them will not touch. So start final point on your paper and just do a squiggly line. Go back up to the top of that squiggly line and do another one. Go over here to the bottom of the first squiggly line you make and do another one. Go over here, add another one. Come up above that one, make another big one. Notice how some of mine are not touching. You're going to find that as you do that, some will touch and some will not. Now, it's kind of up to you whether you want them to touch or not and how often. It looks better if you leave certain areas where they do not touch. And then others look better when they do touch. But it's going to be up to your judgment. It's your drawing. I want you to notice, if you pay attention, I'm going in a circle. All my squiggly lines are going in a circle on top of each other. Do you have to make a squiggly line that's exactly perfect? No. That's what makes this really fun, is that your lines don't have to be perfect. They can be bigger, smaller. It's totally up to you. So you can do some that are just like that, like just barely seen. Some that are real big, like this one up here. Some that go in between. It's totally up to you. And now we have the head of our peony. And I want you to look, go back to your center. I want you to look, it almost goes in sort of like a spiral. You see that? It's like a swirl, almost a spiral. It goes around on itself in circular shapes. And that's what you want it to look like. Okay. Now the leaves of the peony flower, if these are the petals, we're going to draw the leaves. So the leaves usually come in threes. So just pick a point toward the bottom anywhere you want, and we'll start over here. Down, curve back, down, curve back, and then we'll go in the middle, down, back. Then we'll pick another spot over here. Down, curve back, down, curve back, down, curve back. Now you notice they're not shaped exactly the same. You don't want to make them all exactly the same. And for each petal, you're going to go one, or each leaf, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you can add more. You can fill in that gap there, fill in that gap there. It's up to you. And then I'm going to do little veins that come out of the center for each leaf. And the veins help to keep the leaf looking nice and pretty, as well as keep it alive. And there you go. You have drawn a beautiful peony flower. It's real simple and real easy. And again, you can add more petals and more leaves as you want. You can make it bigger and bigger. You can put a bunch of them together. So you can have like a big one in the front, small one in the back. It's up to you. You can put as many peonies on your paper. You can fill up your whole paper if that's what you want to do. All right, I hope you have a great day. Be safe, be creative, have fun, and take care.